Hey guys, I'm Nicholas from Crypto Laundry and welcome back to another episode on our channel. Now in today's video, I want to share 5 things that I do before investing into any crypto project. Now understand, for anyone, including myself, when I first started out in crypto, it was difficult to understand exactly what project to invest into and how to invest into these particular projects. I mean, besides Bitcoin, there are a ton of other altcoins that you could potentially put your money into that could definitely be fruitful in the long run. Now, for anyone investing into crypto, keep in mind that crypto is not a get-rich scheme. While on the one hand, you can make a ton of money from crypto, but also keep in mind you're also investing for the long term. Anyway, enough of all that jazz. Now let's get into the top 5 things that I do before putting my money into any crypto project. Number 1, utility. Now keep in mind, in the crypto space, every coin has a specific utility that solves some sort of a problem in the crypto space. Now before investing, I'm always looking for a crypto project that has something unique about it that is solving some major problem across the crypto ecosystem. For me, utility plays a major role in deciding where I put my money and how much I invest into it. Now to help you understand this a little more clearly, I'm sure you guys have already heard of a number of scams or potential hacks that have taken place in the crypto space by itself. This goes into hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Now, there is a particular token called the lossless protocol, which is essentially a decentralized protocol. Now, the major utility behind lossless is to essentially detect and reverse transactions for potential hacks or scam transactions. This particular token or project makes the whole crypto space so much more safe. And that's exactly what I'm looking for before investing into any project. Number 2, tokenomics. Say, for example, you buy into a coin that is inflationary in nature. What this means is that this particular coin or project doesn't have a finite supply of coins or tokens. Hence, the more coins that are dumped back into the market means that the price action of your particular coin that you hold will obviously move downwards. Number 3, the team. Now, when it comes to any project, having a competent team that takes this project from 0 to 100 is very, very essential. Hence, before investing or putting my money into any crypto project, I always make sure to research the team that is behind the project. I make sure to check out their social media profiles. I check out their LinkedIn profiles. I see if they've been involved in other crypto projects that have been successful in the past. And this obviously gives me a much clearer picture of whether or not I should invest into that particular project. Having a sound team to some extent does determine the success of any crypto project in the near future. Number 4, partners. Now, if I invest into a coin that has great tokenomics, some good utility, and even a fantastic team, I'm also looking for that oomph factor. I'm looking for the partners or individual people or entities that are backing the uniqueness of this particular project. I want to see large players in the crypto market that are already making a name for themselves, backing the project that I want to get into for the uniqueness of that particular project. That kind of makes all the difference before investing into any project. At least it does for me. And number 5, marketing. Marketing for me is the most important factor before investing into any project. The project that you want to invest into may have great tokenomics, fantastic partners, a bunch of good teammates, and even good utility. But without marketing, how am I supposed to know what the project is, what it does, and why does it even exist? Good marketing in a way also affects the price action of any coin. When a particular project gets itself there in the market, it allows people to see the uniqueness or the potential that that particular project may have in the future. This obviously allows for more people to come into the project and invest into it, obviously leading to an upward price action for this particular project. Now, do let me know in the comment section below, what are some of your criteria that you use in order to buy or invest into any crypto project or coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and share this video for anyone you may know that are interested in learning about crypto. And as usual, guys, do hit the subscribe for more content just like this.